Question 193. You are configuring the cloud network architecture for a newly created project in Google Cloud that will host applications in Compute Engine. Compute Engine virtual machine instances will be created into different subnets, sub-A and sub-B, within a single region. Times instances in sub-A will have public IP addresses. Times instances in sub-B will have only private IP addresses. To download updated packages, instances must connect to a public repository outside the boundaries of Google Cloud. You need to allow sub-B to access the external repository. What should you do? A. Enable private Google access on sub-B. B. Configure Cloud NAT and select sub-B in the NAT mapping section. C. Configure a Bastion host instance in sub-A to connect to instances in sub-B. D. Enable identity-aware proxy for TCP forwarding for instances in sub-B. The best approach is option B, configure Cloud NAT and select sub-B in the NAT mapping section. Explanation. Instances in sub-B do not have public IP addresses, meaning they cannot access external repositories directly. To allow outbound internet access while keeping these instances private, Cloud NAT, network address translation, should be used. Cloud NAT enables Compute Engine instances without public IPs to initiate outbound connections to the internet while maintaining private IP addresses within Google Cloud. This ensures that instances in sub-B can download packages from public repositories without exposing them to the internet. Analysis of other options. Option A. Enable private Google access on sub-B. Private Google access allows private instances to reach Google services like cloud storage and artifact registry but does not enable general internet access, which is required for downloading packages from an external public repository. Option C. Configure a Bastion host in sub-A. A Bastion host is useful for SSH access to private instances but is not meant for enabling internet access. This would require additional configurations like proxy settings, making it an inefficient solution. Option D. Enable identity-aware proxy for TCP forwarding. Identity-aware proxy, IAP, is designed for secure SSH and RDP access to VM instances and does not provide general outbound internet access for downloading packages. Conclusion. Option B, Cloud NAT, is the correct choice because it allows instances in sub-B to reach external repositories without requiring public IPs while ensuring a secure and scalable solution.